Hi, it's Denise Mai.
And I'm Ann Pham, and today we're in the highly sought after Capitol Hill with a brand new listing for you. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, almost 2,000 square feet, sitting on 4,000 square feet lot size. And over 3 of the decks, we got 1,500 square feet. Not only that, we have $300,000 in tastefully done renovation with high-end finishes, an incredible 180-degree view of that encompasses Burnaby, downtown Vancouver, the North Shore Mountain, Burrard Inlet, and even the 5 sails. That's right, that's ocean, mountain, and city view, all in the comfort of your own home.
This area is truly family oriented. You have everything you need. You're only a short walk to Confederation Park, as well as Island Daily Community Center, which has a swimming pool, fitness center, tennis court, and track and field. This area is really sought after because you've got tons of elementary and secondary, such as Confederation Park Elementary and Alpha Secondary. And you're right around the corner from Hastings Heights, with tons of restaurants, shopping, and transportation. And we can't wait
to give you a tour. Step on through this beautiful featured door and into your spacious foyer. You have a very large size coat closet, perfect for stowing away your jacket and shoes. You also have a guest suite on this level as well. This space also has your laundry room, and it also doubles as an entertainment room with built-in Sonos speakers, gas hot stone fireplace, as well as direct front access to your front patio. This space is sure to impress. And here is your guest suite. It comes with a 1-bed, large enough to fit a king-size bed. I also love this beautiful chandelier in this bedroom. It also has a spa-inspired ensuite that comes with a floating vanity, rain shower, and frameless glass shower door. All of the bathroom comes with radiant floor heating to ensure your comfort during those winter mornings or cold days. And here is your primary bedroom, large enough to comfortably fit a king-size bed. And this large closet I absolutely love to fit all of your wardrobe need, and the private access to your back deck. This room is the perfect sanctuary for you to rest your mind for the night or jumpstart your day.
And this is an entertainer's dream. You've got these eclipse accordion doors that open the width of this home. So you've got this indoor-outdoor living that really opens up. And as you are entertaining, there's such a seamless transition between this living room. And I absolutely love the neutral colors in this entire home. You walk in here, it's absolutely like a sanctuary. You've got this comfortness and zenness to this home. Here is the kitchen. I absolutely love the white kitchen. You've got this island, quartz counter, tons of storage underneath. You've also got a 4-burner gas range for those of you who are chefs out there. It is a high-end appliance package as well. You've got this beautiful tile backsplash that really helps accentuate, brings the whole kitchen together. And as we move on here, this is an 8-seater dining room table for those of you who love to entertain. But the highlight of this home is truly the view right behind me. You've got amazing sunsets. It's facing west, so you see downtown, water, and the nighttime is truly picturesque. This is nothing like it. It's a 180-degree view. Really, I'm so passionate and I love this home so much, and I want you to come and see it too.
You also have a 3rd bedroom large enough to fit a queen bed on this level. This room can be used as a home office or a nursery as well. And here is your luxury spa-inspired bathroom, equipped with a his and her sink, full frame mirror, quartz countertop, a large soaker tub, I love the tiling throughout the washroom here. And of course, the radiant floor heating for added comfort. And here is your private backyard oasis. I absolutely love so many things about the backyard, but one of the things I love is this leveled area, perfect for friends, family, and kids to enjoy, as well as you have this detached garage for your parking and storage need. You also have a gas hookup for fire pit and your barbecue as well.
Right behind us is this fig tree. I absolutely love figs, and if you don't, you're going to love them because you get so much figs in the summertime. And like Anne said, just so much privacy here. You're in the city, but it's also such a private sanctuary for you and your family. And again, I can't emphasize the location enough. You're on Capitol Hill. This is one of the best priced neighborhoods for not only a view, but you've got the water, you've got the city, you can see fireworks. And I just can't wait for you to really see this for yourself. If you want to take a look at this amazing property, feel free to contact either one of us. My name is Denise Mai.
And my name is Ann Pham.
And we're more than happy to set up a private view with you.